One banana, two banana, three bananas, four. What was that? Five bananas, six bananas, seven. What was that? Was that an elephant? Was that a crocodile? Well, we'll check it out later because right now is circle time.
Welcome to Circle Time with Mr. Mike. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like. To watch more educational videos like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Playful, curious, and tricky monkeys show Mr. Mike how to make funny faces and sounds. Keep up with their mischief in an episode you won't want to miss.
Now I have the bananas ready for snack time. Hey, there's that sound again. Where's it coming from? I think it's coming from the surprise box. It is. It's an animal. A monkey. Monkeys are a lot like people. They have a lot of characteristics like we do. But there's one thing about monkeys. They're very playful. Oh, they like to pull tricks. Just like humans, though, they can be very silly.
Monkey see, monkey do, monkey teasing you can too. Monkey teasing in the sun, then he bangs on his chest, bong, bong, bong. Monkey see, monkey do, monkey laughing you Bye-bye.
Oh. Hi, Mr. Mike. How are you today?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. How are you, monkey?
I'm fine, thank you. Oh, but I'm very hungry.
Well, when I get hungry, I like to eat popcorn. Would you like some popcorn?
Oh, no, Mr. Mike. I don't eat popcorn. I eat bananas.
Bananas? I have some bananas here.
Yay!
Let's see. Would you like some?
Yes, please.
Well, let me count how many I have. We're going to help Monkey count the bananas.
1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4, 5 banana, 6 banana, 7 banana more. Lay them on the table, all in line, and then count from 1 to 7 and start the song again. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4, 5 banana, 6 banana, 7 banana more. Lay them on the table, all in line, and then count from 1 to 7 and start the song again.
Monkeys are not only silly, but they can be mischievous. I know about 5 monkeys who were jumping on a bed. We can pretend we're monkeys too, jumping on the bed, but let's jump on the floor instead.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Sometimes monkeys can be naughty. That means they do something they're not supposed to do. Like in this book. Let's take a look.
Naughty Little Monkeys by Jim Aylesworth. Illustrated by Henry Cole. Naughty little monkeys know a lot of tricks, but Mom thinks they're angelic, all naughty 26. Naughty little monkey has a folded airplane. He flies it all around until the rest complain. Naughty little monkey jumping on her bed. It won't be too much longer before she bonks her head. Naughty little monkey eating chocolate cake. If she eats another bite, she'll get a tummy ache. Naughty little monkey swinging on the drape. The curtain rod is bending into a funny shape. Naughty little monkey wearing Mom's earrings. She's been told before not to touch her things. Naughty little monkey fooling with the fish. All his fingers in the bowl, going splashy, splish, splish. Naughty little monkey, playing with her gum, pulling pink and gooey strings from her teeth out to her thumb. Naughty little monkey, snipping off his hair. But he's clipped too much now, off to the barber's chair. Naughty little monkey, he's careless with ice cream. The drips are dripping down in a steady, sticky stream. Naughty little monkey, she's spreading grape jelly. She's got it smeared all over her hands and chin and belly. Naughty little monkey, zooming with her kite. The string is getting tangled on everything in sight. Naughty little monkey, drawing with lipstick. When his mama sees this, it will make her feel quite sick. Naughty little monkey loves his baseball mitt, but playing ball indoors, he really ought to quit. Naughty little monkey, cutting up the news. If Daddy hasn't read it, he'll surely blow his fuse. Naughty little monkey, waiting by the oven. When the timer starts to ding, watch out, there may be shoving. Naughty little monkey, stacking his pancakes, all the syrups pouring off into brown and gluey lakes. Naughty little monkey, underneath his quilt, he'll try to scare his sister from the fort that he just built. Naughty little monkey, tracking up the rug. Her feet are very muddy from some holes that she has dug. Naughty little monkey goes speeding down the slide. She is bound to get bruised from such a wild ride. Naughty little monkey, wearing Daddy's ties. He should really know by now that such a thing's not wise. Naughty little monkey, under Mom's umbrella. It's far too big and heavy for such a little fella. Naughty little monkey with a brand new violin. By now her brother's patience is wearing very thin. Naughty little monkey, splashing soapy water. This way to take a bath her mother never taught her. Naughty little monkey, banging his xylophone. His mom and dad are wishing that they had not come home. Naughty little monkey, not careful with his yo-yo. Watch out for that street lamp. Whoops! Now it's an oh no. Naughty little monkeys, heading for the zoo. That's where all the monkeys go. When the ABCs are through. The end.
Now comes my favorite part of Circle Time, the big red chair, because we get to see who gets a sticker today. Can you sing that song with me? Who will get a sticker, sticker, sticker? Who will get a sticker for today? Well, we've got two busy bees. We're very busy. The first busy bee that gets a sticker is Emilio. Because I saw Emilio, how did you paint your fingerprint on a paper in the shape of a jar? And then you put some insects on that paper. Good job. You get a sticker. The next person that gets a sticker is Jujo. You did a good job of putting a dandelion together on a paper. Very nice. It did look like a dandelion. You get a sticker. And the last person who gets a sticker is Chloe. Chloe, thank you for sharing with us how your dad helped you paint the plant pot. That was very nice. It looked very good. I hope you get a chance to put a plant in it pretty soon. You get a sticker. Thank you for sharing with us. We sure had fun with the monkeys today, didn't we? But it's time to say goodbye for now to the monkey. Bye-bye, monkey. Bye-bye, monkey.
Bye bye, Mr. Mike.